Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change your crosshair in Valorant. So basically I will show you how to change the shotgun crosshair to be more specific. So first of all guys, let me just reduce this thing over here so I can show you the game and everything about it. So let's go first to a custom game or a practice game, so open range, and let's enter the game. Now, as you will notice, you will see my crosshair, and I will show you then how am I going to be able to change it. You can change it like in two ways. You by your own self, you can make the settings and change it, or you can go and drag someone from like a preset from a pro player. So as you can see for me here, I have the crosshair as a point. I don't have like any like specific shape. I just like it to be a point, which is like a really specific thing for me. When I aim, I will be like really specific when I'm aiming at. Now, how can I change that? I can go to execution on my keyboard, click on settings, and then go ahead and click on crosshair. After that, you will notice that you have general and primary. So primary, you will find here all the options about your crosshair that you will be able to change like color, outlines, outline opacity, outline thickness, center dots, etc. So basically for me, I'm having everything off beside the center dot, which is this dot in the middle. Now, if I remove it, it will be off and it will be removed, as you can see. Now, how we can actually change our crosshair or drag it from like a preset? Can just go to your browser, go to Valorant crosshair, and here guys, I will drag this VCRDB and go and choose, for example, whatever crosshair you want. For example, this one, copy code, and then go to a new profile or whatever you want. So for example here, go import, pass the code, import, and here we go. As you can see, this is my new crosshair. I can't see the map, but that's how you can actually change it. So when I using my shotgun, that's how the crosshair is going to look like, and that's how it look in with a gun, and that's what it will look like with a shotgun. So here you go. If you want to make it like anywhere but bigger, you just have to go far away from the target. So yeah guys, that was with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and see ya in the next tutorial.